How to create a YouTube channel on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To create a YouTube channel, locate YouTube app on your Android and tap to open it. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this page, tap create a channel at top left corner of the screen. Now you will access this section where you simply need to add a profile picture, which is optional. You can enter your channel name and handle and then tap create channel. Once you have customized your channel, you can easily tap create channel and your new YouTube channel is now ready. That is how you can successfully create a YouTube channel on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.